Hey everyone, my name is Chris Opfer and I am super excited to be here with you because Young Living has given me the opportunity as one of the speakers for the spring launch to bring you a quick glimpse into something that is coming on April 17th. So you're not gonna wanna miss it then, but we're gonna go ahead and show you right now. I haven't even looked in here, we just cut the box open. I'm so excited. I heard this stuff is going to be shareable, it's gonna be customizable. It's something that we have, but we don't really have. And so I think you're gonna see exactly what I mean here in just a second. So let's go ahead and pop this open. I think it's gonna, I don't think this is right, man.
What do you mean?
Well, it's just a bunch of hand soap. I love me some Thieves hand soap. I mean, I use it every day, all day, right? Like, but I'm not gonna use this much. This isn't right. Guess, you know,
hang on, maybe
I
mix up the boxes. Let me go look real quick.
All right. Well, let's try that one. That's the only other one that we haven't. That's gotta be that one.
That's just like an Amazon filled with socks, man.
Well, you know, I like my socks, but let's go ahead and do.
Okay, no. This is the one. This is the one. I swear. Sorry about that.
So, all right. So get back.
You got this. Okay. Yeah, and I'm rolling.
Oh, okay. So, hey guys, my name is Chris Opfer. I am super excited to be here with you as one of your spring launch speakers. Young Living has given me the opportunity to give you a quick sneak peek into something that is coming on April 17th for the spring launch. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be shareable, it's gonna be awesome. It's something we already kind of have, but not really, and it's, like I said, it's gonna be, well, just a game changer, especially for those people who like to customize stuff. So I haven't looked in here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this open. And again, I'm gonna give you that quick sneak peek into something that we don't, dude, I think this is part of my ER report, man. That's what I keep telling you. Like, you got like multigreens in here, which I love multigreens, you know, good for your circulatory system. I take it every day. Lavender on your feet every night. Seedlings calling my kids every night, but we already have these products. This isn't right.
Maybe check the bottom of the box, Chris.
Yeah, it's a box, man. It's like,
no.
Greg, is this still on, man? What take are we on? Did you put in a new memory card?
No.
Are we good?
I mean, I think so, but I guess I don't have to be rolling right now.
Yeah. What is this, man? Like take 20, 25? What is this?
I'm sorry, there's a lot of boxes, okay? Is this it?
No, dude, that's like a case of Ningxia, man. Like,
okay,
like,
that's not it?
That's good. I mean, Ningxia's good, but no, I don't think that's it. I'll come over there.
No. You're the talent. You stay there.
Yeah, something like that.
What about this one?
I don't even know what that one is.
Do you want me to open it up?
No. That's not right.
Okay, hang on.
There's like a special box that I think that they said they're gonna sell.
Oh, special box. Why didn't you say that? It's obviously. Okay, I got this.
Yeah, all right.
This is the right one.
Cool. Okay. Yeah, this is it.
Okay,
all
and
right.
3, 2, and action.
Hey guys, Chris Opfer here to bring you a quick sneak peek into something that is coming on April 17th for the spring launch. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be shareable, customizable, and I know you guys wanna see it just as bad as I do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this guy open. Oh dude, this is